Do you know what is that one thing which stops you from achieving all that you are capable of? It is not your opportunities, it is not your destiny. It is that one decision which you are not able to take. That decision to make an attempt, a decision to try out, decision to explore the options if you are on a career break, the decision to ask for help if you need any help to understand what should be your next move, a decision to try a new field of career. It's not necessary that you always go back to the same career, same place where you left before the break, right? Come and explore with me the masterclass that I am doing on Sunday, 6th March, 6:30 to 8 p.m., which will help you to understand why you should come back and how you can come back, how you can go from confusion to clarity, how you can get the courage to pursue your dreams, and how you can be consistent in your effort to land that opportunity to make a career for yourself which you have been waiting for. So come for our masterclass from break to breakthrough. Registration link is given below. Do register and let's meet in the workshop. Thank you.